What's going on YouTube? Now chances are if you're looking at this video, you're looking to utilize the new chapters feature for YouTube in your next video. Now this is an optional feature, and as you can see, the video that I've pulled up here, which is one of my latest uploads, has a seek bar divided up into multiple sections, acting as an outline with different titles to make sure the user knows where they are always at. Now YouTube has been testing this feature since April, and the company says it's received positive feedback because this makes it easier for users to find specific parts of your video. Now most of you have been making timestamps already for parts of your videos, or if your videos are long, you might have noticed your viewers add these in the comments for you. So using this feature is your next natural progression. Think of this as your outline or overview to your video, so it's to get its own organized section in your description from now on. Now I'm going to show you the example of this video here. So as you can see here, we've got the introduction, the unemployment updates, where the HEROES Act bill is, second stimulus check, free money tip, and closing notes. And you can see those all implemented right here. Now this doesn't have to go in the beginning of your description. You can put this at the end, you can put this at the beginning, wherever you choose to. I just choose to keep it a little bit high in the description because users are going to want to also see timestamps in the descriptions here as well. So I'll make it a little bit easier for them to find it. Now to implement this, all you have to do is make sure that you add these timestamps in, but you've got to be sure to make sure you have a timestamp at the very beginning of your video. Now if you don't have this in here, this feature will not work. You cannot have something that looks like this. You must make sure that you have a timestamp for the introduction at the very beginning of the video. You've also got to be sure that you've got at least 3 timestamps, and the chapters that you're using must be at least 10 seconds or longer. So as you can see here, these are definitely longer than 10 seconds. This is recommended for videos that are more long form to use this feature, but you can use this feature for anything. You don't have to have like a bunch of subscribers. You don't have to have like a long video. You've just got to be sure you have more than 3 sections and you've got a timestamp at the very beginning. Now a lot of people utilize this. You can just copy and paste this for your own use. You can find this example. I'm going to have one in the description for this video as well, but you can basically copy and paste this and change it to your own timestamps and use your own titles for this. Now for here, you can also put in a little dash if that's what you want to do, depending on how you want to organize it. Some people also don't include the extra 0 in front, which I kind of like to do. Just it keeps everything nice and in order, especially if your video is more than 10 minutes long. It's gonna kind of throw it off and kind of make it look a little bit nasty. So I like to just kind of keep it as a space in between and make sure I add the extra zeros just in case it does go over 10 minutes long. And also one last thing to remember, guys, is that if you're doing this on your videos and your video's already created, remember that this is going to take some time to show up on a video if you just try to edit this in. Now this is a good practice on your videos if you don't already have these, to just help your viewers navigate through your content, but you want to make sure you're doing this when you upload the video and you're in that process before your video is published and before it goes live when you're filling out the description. That way you can immediately see those changes as soon as the video is live on YouTube. And remember to disable this feature. All you've got to do is just take off the first timestamp, which is the 0 timestamp. That will disable this feature, and to simply just add it back in. Make sure that you follow these key tips, which is having the 0 introduction timestamp and at least 3 sections being at least 10 seconds long to be able to utilize this feature. Now I hope you guys learned something from this video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button if you'd like to learn more. And on this channel we always talk about biz tips and tricks every single Friday regarding personal finances, stock market, and real estate investments. So please be sure you stay tuned. Please share this video with your friends and other content creators that are looking to utilize this feature and take your videos to the next level. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.